The standard door locks that come on an RV are pretty crappy. They make it opening and closing doors a real chore. Not only that, the safety concern is the biggest issue because every other RV owner has a key that could potentially get into your door. Not only that, but today vehicles and homes, they come with keyless entry. So I wanted the convenience of that, especially because I have two doors in my RV. I'm coming in and out all day long, and I'm carrying my gear, groceries, all kinds of things, opening the door for the dogs. So I wanted something that was easy to use. I could open it with a fob or I could type in a PIN code, and this product did both of those things. And I can even set it up so that it opens both doors at the same time or them independently. And this system is not only high quality, but it works unbelievably well. And for the price, you really can't beat the convenience and the security. And to top it all off, it's easy to install. I mean, it took me literally minutes per door to install them, and all you have to do is simply remove the 4 screws that are on the inside of your door on your standard door lock, and that'll allow you to pull out the existing guts from your existing door lock, and then pretty much you just slip this one in place, tighten it up, make sure that it's aligned properly, and then program it. So I was going to do this whole lengthy install video, but it's really that simple. Wow. Ew.
Did he?
I mean, it
Ow!
fits, locks.
Come here. Come here, pretty girl. What's that?
Right, so it's installed. Now we got to test out and see if the keypad works. And you do that with their test code, which is 1234. And that works. Beautiful. I love how solid it is. It's way, way higher quality than the one that comes on your rig. Opening, closing just feels so much better. So once you see if your keypad's working, the next step is to see if your fob is working. So all you're going to do is simply hit the button. And you can see it locked. Hit unlock. And it unlocks. So we're in business. Now if your fob doesn't connect, all you're going to do is simply get a little pen out or a tip of a screwdriver, and you're going to lightly tap a little button here. You're going to tap the button that says Fob Learn. If you're an RV owner, this is definitely a must-have for your safety, your peace of mind, and the convenience. If you guys like this product and you want to check it out, you can get it on our Amazon store, and when you purchase it, we make a small percentage. It greatly helps us, so I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, we'd love to answer them.